Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. I am Abu Bakr Siddiq. Today I am going to show you about user manual. Let's have a look. This is my project, which is create about TMS. This means Transport Management System. Now I am going to introduce to all of my user manual option, which button performs individual work. This is the individual button, and there are different work fields. Let's see. Before create this interface, I was using NetBeans ID, but you all can choose another ID. But now I'm click here admin panel. This is the admin panel. This is one kind of ERP system, but this is one kind ERP system, but part of one individual field. This is admin panel. So let's see what is here into the admin panel. So at first you need to click admin. Sorry, I cannot run this system. Before that I need to run. So you need to enter UK button, shift and F6. So click here, and this is the admin panel. Now I'm click here, and this is the logging. Before you access your all work, need to logging at first. So that's why I'm already created a password into the background of database. Here the password is Rakib, and then type the password. If the password and username both are correct, then you can log in, but otherwise you cannot log in the system by enter the system. So login here, this pop-up is successful login. So okay, this is the interface of admin panel. The admin panel, there are many options. User option, this mainly work home button. If you click here, you back to the home page. So here the add bus, delete bus, view bus info, add employee, delete employee, view employee, and view all ticket cell. This is the work field of admin panel. This individual work. If the admin want to add a bus, then need to click here add bus, and they can add whatever any bus they can add. So now before I created two number of bus information. So let's see what is it. Bus information, here the two bus information I already created. This is bus name, bus number, route of bus, which route they are moving, and bus type. This is AC or non-AC, and the total number of seats. So let's start. Add. Now I'm clicking add button. This button working to add bus employee. Let's have a look. I'm just for your better understanding, I'm just insert bus information. Suppose this bus name, suppose Rajani, and the bus number, suppose 1234. Whatever you want, you can type here. Keeping similar your bus number. Here the route of bus, which route they are moving. Suppose Kumilla, and bus type AC. Okay, AC. And total number of seats and 30. Okay, you can now save. This is the save button, this is the refresh button. So if you enter the save button, the bus information will be saved into the database. So, okay, already saved. Now let's see, it is the delete button. You can delete here the Rajanigandah bus, which we create insert all information before. So this is the Rajanigandah, this is the Kabila, this is the Surjamukhi. Already 3 data already insert. If you want delete one kind of data, you can choose the number of field which you want to delete. So I want to delete this file before I create it. So if you want, you can click here and select this button, delete button. You can delete, or you can choose a bus of number or bus of name and enter this field. You can delete similarly. So this is this is not easy work. So I think this is the easy. You can select here and delete button and delete. Yeah, already delete this field. So this is the delete button option. If you want to add employee, similarly you can add a number of employee, whatever you want, and you that's why you need to enter first name, your employee, your last name, employee, phone number, email, address, and district. So so let's back to the admin page. This is the delete page. It is the same type of the add bus information. If you want to delete one kind of data, you can select here and delete here. Okay, and you can successfully delete. So back to the back page. This is the view employee info. You can view number of, you can see here all number of employee information. So back to the admin page. Here the view all tickets button. This is the menu. Now I'm click this menu. Let's see what's happened. Yeah, this is the all ticket information which is create already all employee who is employee are working in your company. They are insert all ticket information, ticket sale information, what number of how much the number of ticket they already sells. The admin can be see to click this button. So let's back to the admin page and back to the again home page. Admin button already done. So now I'm click the employee. Let's see what work the employee done. Okay, again this is similar to the admin panel. So before access the system, employee need to registration. So let's start here the password. Okay, let's click the login button. Okay, you will see a pop-up. This is show successful login. Okay, next okay button. And there's the employee section, which is they are unable to work this field. Now this is the sell ticket. The employee can sell all ticket to enter all field. They need to enter and need to input all field before save sell ticket. There the bus type of bus name and everything, and you can save. Then this data save into the database. Okay, so back to the employee page again. Yeah, here the view all sell ticket. Already how much number of ticket you already sell, you can see to click the button. Okay, there are you can see there are 3 number of ticket already sell, which is included customer name, phone number, address, email, bus name, bus type, and destination, where the customer they want to go. This is the destination. Okay, this is the number of ticket, how much ticket they want, and this is the price. So back to the employee page, and this is the update sell information. You can update the number of ticket sell. If you want, if the customer want to update some information, you can update. So I want to update one kind of a customer name or something, that's why I need to insert. So suppose I'm I want to update this field. Okay, this is the bracket, so shortcut. So this I need to type Priyash, and this and the field I want to update. This is the AC or non-AC their type. So let's see, type bus type. Yeah, bus type. This is bus type non-AC, so they want to buy AC, so and insert AC. And suppose destination they want to change. This is already, you see, this is Kumilla. I want to insert Brahmanbaria. Okay, Brahmanbaria. And here the number of ticket, I want to take in number of ticket. Sorry, the customer, if the customer want to number of ticket, so any kind of number of ticket, the employee need to insert. So the customer, suppose customer recommended to number 4 tickets, so I click here 4, and they are already counted the number of price. So per ticket 200, that's why 4 ticket obviously will be 800. So this is the if you want any kind of price, you can enter. Suppose per ticket 200, so I'm here 800, and I think everything is okay. That's why I want to this type of field update. So you click here, and okay, you see it is already updated. Before you see this is the shortcut, but now is pre-wash, and this is the AC. Before you see this is the AC, non-AC, and before you can see this is the Kumilla destination, but now Brahmanbaria, and 4 number of seat 4 and price 800. Okay, this is the update button. If you want, you can also delete. So you can delete easily. Okay, delete. You can delete, and let's do the back page. This is the update already finished, and it is the bus schedule. How many bus are already ready for go and start their journey, and when the bus moving and started their journey, you can find here easily. The customer, if the customer see this bus schedule, and they can be helpful. So let's the back employee page. This is the report to manager page. This button will have the improve the system. That's why you need to enter this button and date and insert a number of date. Suppose I'm create a report. That's why I'm enter date. So today 3. So that's why I'm enter 3 and 12 2000. Sorry, 2080. And here the option of report option, and this is the area, text area field. So now I enter something. Suppose our this system doing some problems, sir. Please check it, sir. You can see whatever you want, you can write here. So please check it, sir. If you written something and click the submit button, already sent to the this is already sent to the custom manager. So there is a pop-up button show you successfully submitted to the manager. So click here. Okay, already submitted, and back to the employee page. Okay, here the employee page. Now this is the all employee action button work, and this is the usual manual button. Now let's go to the home button, and again you can see the manager button, and login here. Suppose before similar admin and employee, you need to login first before access all field. So that's why I'm using again password. You can change your password for doing the different name, using different name. So I'm here typing my password and username. You can log in here, and there show a pop-up button. This is successful logging. So let's see what happened. Okay, this is the manager panel. There are 5 options. Manager can be do this field. This is the view employee information, view driver information, assign employee, view all sale ticket information, and view report. This button work only the employee whatever they are through to the manager who is they want to improve or who is the problem are created. They are informed to the employee, informed to the manager. Then they show before click here. This is the report area. Before I'm create a report into the enter into the employee section. So this is the report area already done. This is report area which is through by the employee. So let's back to the manager page, and here the view all employee information button. If you click the button, you will show all employee information. Manager can be show all information about all employee. So there are 3 now type of employee already working the company. So manager can be see all employee name here to click this button. And if employee one manager want to delete or update something, they can be update anything in this field. So there's the view driver information. So to assign employee, here the assign employee customer can be assigned everything in this field using in this system. So this is the another field of customer. Employee and manager can be assigned all employee as their individual profession. Now you can delete information. So let's see what happened. Okay, yeah, already delete. So you can delete all information easily. You can refresh button. This is the refresh button. You can using delete. Already I'm delete. If you want, you can delete more button, but there are so many field are empty. So okay, back to the this is the back to the next page. Okay, so now we'll now again we are back to the manager panel, and this is the view all sale ticket information on another button. If you click this button, you see all sale ticket information. This field mainly work employee when work when sell one number of ticket, and how many number of the employee sell, this will be shown in the manager panel. So manager can be control this field. So this is the ticket sell information system. So back to the manager page again, and this is the view report. Already I'm introduced you. So this is the manager panel, and within I have a short time, so that's why I cannot create more information, and so that's why this is some type of user manual, and future I will improve I will be improved for my software. And now I will show you some number of user manual button which are mainly working on the manager. So let's see the home page again and show the accountants. So again you need to enter your username and enter your password before access your user option and button. This is successfully login. Okay, this is the account section. So this video already become a long time, so I need to do a short. So that's why I'm introduce. So now I will describe this functionality shortly. This is the paid salary, this is the given budget money, this is the received sale money information, this is the money details and notes. And here these accounts can be able to do this work in this field. And this is the paid salary. I think this this is the paid salary means accounts can able to pay all employee salary or employee salary, and this is the received sale money information. This means all information, money receipt information, all be showing here, and accountant can be see what will happen, but what already happened. So this is the give budget money. Number of kind of budget already taken the company. The accountant can be taking this money for keeping this account section. And this is the note section. You already know notes means how is number of notes they are keeping for better understanding the company. This is the account section actually. So this is my project, and I will improve this project and update day by day. I have a short time, that's why I'm not describe you briefly this section. Okay, so day by day I will try to do the best system to improve the system. Okay, so this is my page user manual section. Thank you for watching this video, and so viewers, next time I will be there with more videos which can be help your study. And so till then, and stay safe and stay with us. Goodbye.